Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can access Veo3 for free, completely free, and also I'll be comparing it with Grok's Imagine, that's Grok's video generator and image generator. Now, a couple of days ago, I dropped a video explaining how insane the combination of Grok's Imagine, the video generator, and Nano Banana is. That the combination of these two software, how we've been using it for our business, and how it has been a game changer for me. And I did a video about that. I'll leave it in the description. But today, I'm just going to be showing you how you can access Veo3 for free, and also how it compares with Grok's, which is Elon Musk video generator. Now, you'll be surprised that I use Grok's video generator more than I use Veo3, because I think for some reason the generations I've been getting from Grok is just looks visually appealing more to me than Veo3. But let's just see how you can access Veo3 for free, and also how you can use Grok. Grok is completely free for you to use wherever, but Veo3 you have to use it, use a couple of video generations per month, and then you have to either use a different account or wait for the new month to renew. But Grok, you can completely use it for free. So right off the bat, I'm just going to show you how you can access Veo3. This is the website. You can use Whisk's website. This website is owned by Google. You just come here to Whisk, and then you can click on enter tool, and automatically you can use Nano Banana from here, and also Veo3 from here. If you don't know what Veo3 is, then it is the most insane video generator out here from Google. Now, I know we know Sora 2 is out here, but we've been seeing how it compares to Veo3. Veo3 is really good, but let's see how it compares with Sora 2. Now, here you can just either add your images, because for you to generate a video, you have to use an image. It's either you can use an image by generating an image here, or you can upload one. So I have already uploaded a couple of images here. As you can see, I uploaded this image, and then Gemini generated this Nano Banana generated this other in wide angle images, because for you to generate for Veo3 here, it has to be in 16:9 aspect ratio, so you have to use 16:9. So I generated these images, and then I imported it into Whisk for you to generate an image. So the way you do that is for you to click here. If you click on any image, you can click open in project. Once you click open in project, it will open it here for you, and then you can just animate it from here. Super easy. You see a button that says animate. You can see here it says animate. You see here it says animate, so you can just animate it from here. You can type in whatever you want the animation to be here, and then you click this arrow here, it will animate it for you. But it's default to, I think, 5 seconds, just like Grok. But Grok do up to 6 or 7 seconds, but most times 5 seconds. So that's it. So I generated this video. But first, let me show you. I generated this video. So in this video, I asked, the prompt I used was for her to take a selfie, saying this is for the gram. So here's the video. Let me play it so you can see.
Smile. This is for the gram.
Yeah, so that smile was okay, but somehow it didn't, like, the other words didn't like match up with her. Her lip sync wasn't like really good here. That aside, so let's compare it with Grok. So for you to access Grok, you just go on grok.com/imagine, and right from here you can just either click on this attach icon here, and then you can add your image, or you can type a prompt for it to generate an image for you. So once you attach your image, you can to automatically start animating it. That's the way it works. Then if it has finished animating it, then you want to input your own prompt, then you can literally just do that. So this is the video that Grok generated. You can see.
Smile, this is for the gram.
I don't know, for some reason I just think it has more motion and more it looks somehow more realistic than Veo3. I don't know if they are using the same engine, but I just feel it looks more realistic. Their lip sync is not good for this example, but trust me, the lip sync on Grok is amazing. As I'll show you here, it's amazing. The lip sync for Grok is amazing. So this is the first image I tried, and then let's go over to Grok again, and to Whisk, which is Veo3, so you can see what the other videos that I actually generated. If I just click on my library, it will take you back to your projects. So I'll just click on image. So let that load. Okay, now you can see the prompt will determine how long or how lengthy the video that you're generating with Veo3 is. The prompts that you input will determine it. So in this situation, I asked for her to spill the drink on her body, and someone comes to give her a towel. Now this is the video he generated for me. You can see highly detailed. The man just arrived and gave her, but he didn't give her the towel. He just held the towel in his hand. The drink spilled on her body, and this is what Grok gave me. This is Grok's generation, which is absolutely insane if you ask me. The spill is too much, but you can see he literally gave her the towel, and she actually started using it to clean the table and her body. It is absolutely insane. This is mind-blowing. So this is the comparison between Veo3 and Grok's video generator. So you can access these two tools right now for free, completely free, using Whisk, and Grok is actually free for everyone to use. So you can just go on the platform and test it out for yourself, so you can see how amazing it is. So in the previous video I made, I showed you how I've been using Grok and Nano Banana to make a whole lot of money for marketing, through marketing. So if you are interested in that kind of thing, you want to see how you make money with Nano Banana using Facebook ads library, it is super easy. You can literally start doing it today and you can start making money right now. And how you can create an AI influencer, I've already made that video, so you can just check the link in the description for that video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.
Smile. This is for the gram.
Smile, this is for the gram.